How to fix Walmart app not loading. So in order to fix Walmart app not loading or login issue, first thing you want to try basic troubleshooting steps like checking your internet connections. So go to settings on your device, look for network and internet section, and here you could go to internet and make sure you're connected to a stable internet connections. Next, what you also want to do is if the issue still persists on, you simply want to close the background running app and then restart your device at the same time by holding on to your side button. That might also be able to help you out. Now that you've done this, you could also go ahead and you could also go ahead and try updating your app. So head over to your respective app store, look for Walmart, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. Once you've done that, if the issue still persists, you want to go to settings on your device and locate apps, locate Walmart, go to storage and cache, and make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to help. If nothing works out, then the simple step is to uninstall and reinstall your Walmart app, and that is going to help you out as well. So this is how things work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.